Okay guys, mabuhay, maligayang pagbabalik sa aking YouTube channel. Medyo late upload ito, naganap to nung isang araw pa. Ito nga yung ginanap na press con or relaunch para sa I Want na dating I Want TFC. Ang I Want ay parang of course, streaming app siya. Para siyang Netflix, para siyang View, yung ganon. So, ang maganda lang dito, no, so, hindi lang yung mga nasa ibang bansa ang pwedeng manood. Of course, yung mga Pilipino na rin. Yung mga Pilipino, yung mga nandito sa Pilipinas, of course. At hindi lang puro ABS-CBN show ang mapapanood, kundi mga iba-iba pa. Pwede nga rin magkaroon ng show dito, ang GMA7, according to them, na sinabi nga nila. But anyways, kanina nakita na naman natin nag-perform si Shania Gomez and then ngayon si Kaori Oinuma because meron nga silang show. Yung show nila yung basta abangan nyo na lang. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng sabihin or baka naman nasabi na. Anyways, ayan, so napaka makasaysayan nung araw na yun because that was the day, of course, na nagpaalam na rin sila sa Millennium Tower, of course, 'di ba? Napakatagal na panahon. Kumbaga, mawawala na siya. Alam naman natin na gigibain na yung part na yon ng ABS-CBN at dahil na nabili na nga yun. So, medyo nakakalungkot. Yung ambiance, syempre, nakita mo naman dahil nangihinayang after a long time nga naman, biglang-bigla, parang hindi mo na siya makikita. Pero ganun talagang buhay. Pero maganda sa kanila, ready naman ang ABS-CBN. Itong ang I Want talagang mas patitindihin pa nila para mas marami silang content na maipalabas. Actually, yung mga old content nila at mga bagong content nila ay mapapanood. Katulad ng anong feels mo, so makikita. Parang ganyan ang logo ngayon ng I Want to. Makikita nyo naman. So, ayan, of course, ang Bini. Ayan, diba, Don Bell. At iba't ibang mga show na pinalabas. Pati nga yung mga show nila Rico yan, Claudine Barreto. Yung mga dati pa, mapapanood din. So, ganon ka of course, lahat yata ng feels ay nandyan, ang kilig, at kung anik-anik pa. But anyways, maganda naman kasi, yung kanina kasi nawala ng audio yon kaya siguro inulit nila. So, ewan ko kung nangyari. Di ba may Sarah John Lloyd, ayan, Love at First Sight, yun, Julina and Marvin. So, yung mga ngayon, yung mga kabataan ngayon na hindi napanood ang mga pelikula nung araw, ayan, mapapanood nila sa I Want. At napakamura nito, mura ang I Want kasi pwede kang manood ng walang ads, pwede kang manood na may commercial. Mas mura syempre pag may commercial, yung gano'n. Pag medyo mahal pag walang ads, pero hindi pa rin mahal. So, ako na-excite ako dahil ang dami kong gustong panoorin na, kasi nga, hindi mo na kailangan maghabol ng oras. Kumbaga, kung 4, di ba? Parang kung 7 p.m., prime time, yung mga ganon. So, hindi mo na kailangan maghabol ng ganon. Kasi, sa oras na gusto mo, mapapanood mo yung mga show na yon. Of course, ako talaga, ang hinahabol ko lang dyan, ang hinahabol ko, isa sa mga habulin ko, ay yung mga dati pang show, ayun nga, katulad yun, meron GMA show, di ba, pa napapalabas, na napapakita dyan. So, iba na talaga ang panahon ngayon na nagugulat ka, nagsasama talaga ang ABS-CBN at ang GMA7 sa mga ganito. So, sa mga mag-subscribe na. But anyways, ayan, of course, isa ito sa mga pambato din ng I Want, ang mga show nila. Etong Love at First Sight na napanood namin ilang episode. Ito natutuwa ako kasi ang ingay nito actually, yung mga kapamilya na nandyan talaga, super focus ang camera na kayo.
Kami na naging part kami ng milestone na to. Through Ghosting, of course, ang pinakaunang digital series namin. Yeah. At dropping this July only on
I Want!
Kaya maganda na kayong mauga, mawindang, at syempre, kiligin. At matuwa sa dala nitong kwento at aral. Ayan. At kung medyo masakit, baka para sa'yo talaga.
Ganun talaga kung masakit, di ouch! Diba? Sobrang nagpapasalamat din po kami sa I Want na naging parte kami ng big relaunch na to. Kasi kung ganito naka-wild ang first drop, paano pa yung mga susunod? Uy! May pa-teaser pa ha? So, sign nyo na to ngayong July na magparamdam na kay crush. Mali! Hindi! Mapapanood nyo na po ang Ghosting sa I Want. Congrats, I Want! The home of the Filipino feels!
Grazie.
We are Bini.
Congratulations, I Want, on your successful launch today!
Grabe, we are so grateful na I Want is the home of our Bini docu-series from chapter 1 to 3.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan yung experience when we saw the first chapter for the first time, di ba, Stacey?
Yes, it was beautiful and surreal. That was one of our cherries on top. Kaya naman talagang inabangan ng blooms hanggang chapter 3.
At syempre sa I Want din ako nag-debut ng NMK actor.
Yes!
you know, girls, iWant is on its glow era as it reopens its doors as the home of Filipino feels and as a proudly Filipino global storyteller.
Wow! Exciting times for iWant. Super looking forward po kami to more originals with you soon. And speaking of original, yes, abangan po ninyo ang Beaniverse World Tour Stories dropping this September. Exclusive lang yan sa iWant. Thank you, iWant. We love you. Congrats ulit! iWant, the home of Filipino feels.
Sobrang natutuwa na dito tayo lahat ngayon. And I'm loving this the setup. When I went outside, sobrang ganda to see everyone wearing their shirts. I love seeing everyone wearing their new iWant shirts. Yes, so super exciting.
Yes, how about you go?
Ako kilig. First ko nakita dito si Direk. Kilig ako kay Direk. Nandito po kayo. I'm actually Sir Jamie din. Nakakatuwa, nakakilig kasi kabila ng panahon na tagpulan ngayon, lahat kayo nandito pa rin. Self-beat event na to. So yeah, thank you so much sa pakikisama dito ngayon. Yes. Ito naman, Jay, parang gusto ko ng sample from Shania and Kauri. Sample naman ng tuwa. Oh, go.
Okay, easy.
Yes!
Ito, pasample na na here.
Kilig.
Oh.
Audition pa na to.
I think na before, nakaka-reach na tayo ng mas maraming Pilipino, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa ibang bansa rin. But now, ready na kami, mas mag-reach pa ng wider audience. With this platform, yes.
I feel super touched and excited kasi, well, I like to think I'm a little iWant baby. Diba? Yung mga lahat ng mga first projects ko have been through iWant, from starting Tease Into Her, then BRGY, and then
Yes.
Baka may
and then
ka na
even
horror
my
movie.
movie. Shout out to the gatekeeper! Oh, thank you.
Nalagtak
Mother
ka.
cheer, may 10 pesos. No, but of course, yeah, so it's really exciting na, I started off really new with them, and now get to grow together as an
Mas ano pa?
artist.
He's in the herd, diba?
Yes.
Conversation to her, di ba?
And now this. So ano kaya yung roles namin dito?
Yes. Pero yun nga, since talking about roles, no, ano kaya aabangan namin for Romance Reboot?
Without spoilers, di ba? Siyempre, without spoilers.
Spoilers! Okay.
And then may kinalaman siya sa kung, di ba ngayon generation natin gumagamit tayo ng AI, ChatGPT.
Wow.
So ano ba yung kinalaman ng AI sa buhay namin sa film na to?
So,
Yes.
with
Yes.
modern, twist na rin as well.
Yeah, and I think it's really actually a good storyline in the sense na, it's bullying, my gosh, okay. So it's about it's literally the title, Romance Reboot. So, paano mag-reboot? Paano mag-start over ba yung love? Or is it something that, refresh button, or who knows? So,
Yeah, so, i-download na lang nila ang iWant. The one and only Sean Tristan!
Also, our PVP and syempre ang beauty queen natin, Ray Pranati!
Last but not least, of course, ang nag-iisang pro natin as well sa PBB, Emilio Daer!
At first spike cast. Okay, batiin muna natin ang lahat ng tao dito sa Dolphin Theater.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. We are the cast of Love at First Bite. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito, sa pagsusupport ng iWant, Sir Jamie. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And of course, the whole iWant team. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Ako
po si
River! Crush from the BBB Nights!
I'm the partner Robinson. Isa po siyang bully at nakakairita. And ayun, I hope you guys can support our show, Love at First Bite, and also the other shows on iWant TFC. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you, River. Yes!
Guys, panoorin nyo na lang. I'm sure.
Medyo ano pa siya? Nag-adjust pa.
Warming up siya sa outside world.
You guys everything that is changing with the brand new iWant. So let me start by saying we have heard the feedback loud and clear. Our team has been hard at work since late last year, building a streaming platform that
continue. I really want to take this opportunity to say thank you and to recognize the team behind that actually put on this event. It's phenomenal. It's so much better than it was in the PowerPoints that led up to today. And also to the team that actually did all the work on the actual app, the redesign. They started in December, they got it done by July. That's a tremendous amount of work in 7 months. So Can you guys rise, stand up wherever you are, and let's please give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. So, our journey began in 2003 when there was a need to provide users, mainly OFWs, a platform where they can get the latest news, entertainment updates, and watch Kapamilya teleseries and movies. From there, ABS-CBN Now was born. In 2010, we developed that product into a streaming service called iWant TV, which you may know now as iWant TFC, and today, we're evolving it again to simply iWant. Change is a constant in life. There is no stopping it, no matter how hard we try. As technology continues to evolve, so must we continue to challenge the status quo and adapt, or risk being left behind and eventually forgotten. In ABS-CBN, we are no strangers to change. We accept, we learn, we pivot, and we keep pushing forward. Today happens to be the start of our farewell bid to the old building and the iconic Millennium Transmitter, which for decades marked the skyline as the physical representation of Channel 2. And while we say goodbye to a symbol of our broadcasting era, we are well positioned in the digital world and welcome the relaunch of iWant and the opportunities it enables through its global reach. To our iWant Kapamilya, thank you for the feedback. We heard you, and your input shaped this rebuild. We made significant changes to the entire platform, from what you will see as a viewer to how our internal teams manage behind the scenes. And we will continue to release new features and functionality to further enhance that experience. Aside from your favorite ABS-CBN studio shows, we have content from GMA, Viva, Regal, and other independent creators in our quest to reflect the true Filipino experience. And we are bringing back iWant originals and exclusives, such as MMK's Director's Cut, the Beanie docu-series, Love at First Bite, Ghosting, just to name a few. As your digital home, iWant is where the stories you love meet all the fields you live. A place where we welcome all storytellers and all types of storytelling. Somewhere that we can all be proud of, but most importantly, where we will continue to be of service to the Filipino. Again, thank you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon.